you're getting access to an all-new dashboard, 50 plus ready-made header templates, and a UI that feels like natural extension of Elementor itself. She adds a layer of professional polish to your website with features like opacity fades, header shrink on scroll, hide reveal effects, and smooth transitions, the kind of subtle touches that makes your site feel more modern and dynamic. Have you ever tried to make a sticky header in Elementor only to realize that you can't? I mean, sure, Elementor Pro gives you a few options, but if you're using Elementor Free, you're pretty much locked out, as there are no theme builder, no nav menu, and definitely no built-in sticky features. And let me tell you, you're not alone here, as this is where most people give up. But not anymore. We at POSIMYTH have officially taken over the sticky header effects plugin for Elementor, and we've done more than just put our name on it. We rebuilt it to work beautifully with both Elementor Free and Pro, giving everyone, beginners, pros, and everyone in between, a simple, powerful way to build sticky headers without any coding or confusion. Now, I know some of you might not be familiar with this tool, so let's start from the basics and understand what exactly is sticky header effects. Sticky Header Effects, aka She, is a powerful WordPress plugin just for Elementor users, and it lets you create smooth scroll-friendly headers that stays visible as people navigate through your site. Now, officially part of the POSIMYTH Innovations family, She isn't just updated, it's been completely rebuilt from the ground up. The new version is faster, cleaner, and performance optimized, so your site feels lightweight while looking sharp. Also, it works perfectly with Elementor Free and Elementor Pro. Plus, it plays nicely with tools like Nexter Theme, the Plus add-ons for Elementor, and Design Kit. Additionally, you are getting access to an all-new dashboard, 50 plus ready-made header templates, and a UI that feels like natural extension of Elementor itself. So, whether you are just getting started or building client sites every day, She simplifies the entire process, giving you complete creative freedom without the technical overwhelm. Okay, let's face it, nobody likes losing their menu while scrolling, right? Well, Sticky Header Effect solves that by keeping your navigation bar always visible, so your visitors can access links, buttons, or contact info anytime without hunting or scrolling back up. But it's not just about visibility. She adds a layer of professional polish to your website with features like opacity fades, header shrink on scroll, hide reveal effects, and smooth transitions, the kind of subtle touches that makes your site feel more modern and dynamic. Also, let me tell you that if you are on Elementor Free, this is a total game changer. As earlier, Theme Builder and Sticky Headers were only possible via Elementor Pro. But now with She plus Nexter extension, a tool, a free plugin that I'm gonna mention later in this video, you can access theme building features without Elementor Pro. And the best part, it's lightweight, built for performance, and designed to run smoothly without adding unnecessary bloat to your site. So, whether you are a complete beginner or a pro builder, She gives your headers the style, behavior, and flexibility they need, all with a setup that just makes sense. Before we dive in, make sure Elementor is already installed onto your WordPress site. If it is, awesome, you're good to go. Moving further, let me now show you how to install the Sticky Header Effects plugin, and for that, just follow these quick steps. From your WordPress dashboard, click on Plugins in the left-hand menu, then hit Add New. Here in the search bar, type Sticky Header Effects, and when it shows up, click on Install Now, and once it's done, hit Activate. After activation, you can find Sticky Header Effects here under the Elementor submenu. Just click on it and you will see this onboarding screen waiting for you. Now, you will notice something cool right away. The plugin's already detected your setup. That is, whether you're using Elementor Free or Pro, it knows and it's ready to guide you accordingly. And from here, let me tell you, your experience takes a major turn. Why do I say that? Well, back in the day, there was really just one path forward with Sticky Header Effects. You had to use Elementor Pro, build your header entirely from scratch, and let's be honest, it wasn't the most beginner-friendly setup. But for now, things are a whole lot easier. If you're using Elementor Pro, you can stick with the widgets you already use. Plus, you can tap into the Plus add-ons for Elementor Pro and even Design Kit's pre-built Pro templates. So instead of rebuilding headers from the ground up, you can drag, drop and customize, saving loads of time while still getting that polished sticky effect. And here's the exciting part. Even if you are on Elementor free, you're no longer stuck. You can now use the Plus add-ons free widgets and WDesign Kits templates to build beautiful sticky headers, no pro license, no extra cost, nothing. So whether you're Team Free or Team Pro, the process has been completely reworked to meet you where you are. Faster setup, better tools and way less effort. Want more details? For that, I've linked a blog post in the description below which has everything else you might want to know. Alright, I'm beginning with the Elementor free onboarding for now, and if you're using Elementor Pro, no worries, the process is almost identical and I'll cover that a bit later. But for now, let's walk through the free setup, which is super straightforward and surprisingly powerful. So go ahead and click this next button, then here enter your email, which helps you staying in the loop. With it, you will get monthly updates about new features, Elementor tips and other helpful stuff sent straight to your inbox. Once that's done, hit subscribe and continue. Now, here's where we unlock the header building tools. Since Elementor Free doesn't come with a theme builder, we are going to enable that using the Nexter extension. And yes, don't worry, it's completely free and lightweight. Just click on this Enable Theme Builder, and once that's active, hit on Create Header. Boom! You're straight inside the Elementor editor now. At the moment, what you're seeing now is a section powered by WDesign Kit, and this is where it gets exciting, my friend. On clicking here, you will get access to over 50 plus pre-designed sticky header templates all ready to use. Of course, if you'd rather design a header from scratch, that's totally possible too. But if you are like me and want to save time while still ending up with something clean and professional, I'd recommend starting with one of these templates. Now, I'll click on Enable Header Templates and you will see all these layout appears, plenty of styles to choose from depending on your brand or vibe. Just a heads up though, if you click on a log template here, you will get a pop-up asking for install the Plus add-ons for Elementor. And that's because some of these templates use the Plus add-ons widgets, especially for the free navigation menu. So if you want the full experience and everything working as expected, it's a good idea to go ahead and install this plugin too. Now, once you've got the Plus add-ons installed, just click on this download icon on any of the templates, and like magic, the template will get instantly loaded right inside your Elementor canvas. And now here comes the fun part. Click on the main container of your header, then hop over to Advanced tab and you will see an entire panel labeled Sticky Header Effects. This is where all the controls live, my friend. And trust me, you've got a lot of flexibility here. On opening the drop-down, first up, you can choose when the sticky effect should kick in. Like for desktop, tablet, mobile, it's totally up to you. Then just set the scroll distance and boom, the sticky magic starts right away. Then you've got all the styling options, which are background color, background type, transparent header toggle, and even that custom menu toggle button animation if you're using the Elementor nav menu. You can start by adding a bottom border or a little shadow just to give the header some depth. Then, if you want a cleaner look after scroll, you can shrink the header or even just the logo. And in order to keep things stylish, you can also change the logo color once the user scrolls. Also, if you are going for that modern feel, there is a blur background option too, which looks super sleek. Moving further, if you want a distraction-free experience, there is a hide on scroll option, which makes the header disappear when scrolling down and slides back it when scrolling up. Pretty smooth, right? Now, honestly, we've just scratched the surface of what this panel can do. A full walkthrough is coming soon. So if you're curious about every little toggle and trick present here and want to know more about them in depth, stay tuned. With that, our free sticky header is done. Alright, so we just walked through the full onboarding and header creation using Elementor Free. Alright, so you just walked through the entire onboarding and header creation process using Elementor Free. Now, let's switch gears for a moment and see how it works if you're using Elementor Pro. Spoiler alert, it's nearly the same process, just with a few minor differences. First, make sure you have uploaded and activated the Elementor Pro zip file from the plugin section in your WordPress dashboard. This part's important as Pro features like the sticky header won't work unless the Pro plugin is fully activated. Once that's done, head into Elementor and open up Sticky Header Effects. Here, select Elementor Pro, click Next, and you will be asked to enter your email just like before. Type it in, hit subscribe and continue, then confirm. Now, in my case, I've already installed WDesignKit while using the free version. But if you haven't yet, go ahead and click on install it now. Once that's done, you will see the full collection of WDesignKit templates show up. Since we are now using Elementor Pro, most of the templates here are built specifically with its Pro widgets. So just keep that in mind while choosing. Scroll through the list, pick a header template that suits your site, and click the download icon. As usual, it got instantly appear in your Elementor canvas. And from here on, it's just like we saw in the Elementor free walkthrough. Yep, the process is exactly the same. Click on the main container of the header, go to Advanced tab, and here you will find the full sticky header effects panel. Now, since we've already gone through all these settings, like when the sticky effect should trigger, scroll distance, background styles, shrinking header, logo color change, blur effect, and hide on scroll, I won't repeat them all here. Just know, everything works the same way with Elementor Pro templates too. So, if you've followed along this far, you're already set. And if you're looking for a deeper dive into every single setting, don't worry, we've got a full video coming up soon that I already said before, where I'll walk you through each one in detail. Now that we have gone through the full onboarding for both Elementor Free and Pro, and you know exactly how to get a sticky header onto your WordPress site, let's move forward and check out the sticky header effects dashboard. Let me tell you that this right here is the main character of the story, the place where everything comes together. Inside the header template section, you will find a variety of pre-designed sticky header templates which can be imported and customized to fit your site's design using Elementor. Next, head over to your header widgets tab, and here you will find a list of useful widgets from Elementor, the plus add-ons for Elementor, and WDesignKit. Some are free and some are pro as visible. So, if you're looking to enhance your headers and advanced menu, sticky sidebars, or toggle buttons, this is where you will find the right tools. Everything's clearly labeled and you can view demos or documentations with just a single click. Now, once you're done exploring the header widgets, you can unlock even more possibilities with the free Elementor theme builder, which is powered by Nexter extension. It lets you design not just headers, but full layouts, footers, blog posts, archives, giving you total creative control without needing Elementor Pro. And if you're ready to go even further, the extension section is where things really open up. It's packed with features designed to improve your workflow, boost performance, and give you more control over your site. Whether you're streaming admin tasks, customizing site behavior, or optimizing how things load, everything here is built to make your day-to-day work a lot easier, especially if you're building multiple sites or managing client projects. So, let me tell you that these aren't just flashy design tools, but trust me, once you start using them, you will wonder how you worked without them. Now, finally, for those of you who love to fine-tune every detail, check out the extra options. It's packed with hidden gems and advanced settings. Just look for the little arrow icon and you will unlock a whole new layer of control. From here, you can explore other powerful tools in the same ecosystem. And if you ever need to roll back to a previous version of the plugin, you can do that too with just a single click. So, just now, what I showed you is all about giving you options. As whether you're managing multiple projects or just want more flexibility, now you exactly know where you have to head towards. And there you have it. You just saw how effortlessly you can create a sticky header using sticky header effects. Whether you're using Elementor Free or Pro, she makes the whole process quick, clean, and completely beginner friendly. No complex setups, no coding, just a smart focus tool that gets the job done fast. Now, if you found this helpful, go ahead and hit like and be sure to subscribe to our channel because we've got more in-depth tutorials and tips coming soon, including a full breakdown of all the She settings. Thanks for watching and I'll catch you in the next one. Until then, stay creative and keep learning.